Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the reflection of light through a prism. So we have seen the refraction, what is refraction in detail. Now let's see the refraction of light through a prism. Everybody knows what is prism. Basically prism is a three-dimensional structure. It could be made up of glass or plastic. So it is 3D in shape, made up of glass or plastic. Actual definition of prism is a prism is a transparent medium bounded by five plane surfaces with a triangular cross section. So let's write the definition of it. Prism, book definition. Prism is a transparent medium bounded by five plane surfaces with a triangular cross section. So it is the definition. Let's draw its diagram so we will get a clear idea about it. So basically this is one triangle, this is another. Let's join in its edges. Let's name it A, B, C, D, E, F. Here we have seen this first, this A, B, C and this D, E, F are two triangles. These are two triangles, A, B, C and D, E, F. Okay, and this A, D, F, C, this one, and this A, D, E, B, this one. These are two rectangular, these are two rectangles. Okay, they are inclined to each other, this one and this one. It is, let's shade it. These are the refracting surfaces. This light gets refracted from these two surfaces. So these are the refracting surfaces, this one and this one. These are two triangle. Okay, these are two rectangle. This is the base, this parallelogram. This is the base of the prism. A, B, C, this is triangle A, B, C, and this is triangle D, E, F. D, E, F. Okay, here B, A, C, it is the angle of prism. Angle B, A, C is the angle of prism. Angle of prism. Okay, this A, this is the angle. Okay, these two surfaces are polished, so it get refracted. Okay, now this is the normal prism we have seen. We give naming to understand it. Now let's see how refractions happen through this prism. So how refraction happen? Refraction through a prism. Okay, let's draw a diagram. In this case we will draw just simply a triangle. This one A, B, C. Okay. let's see this APC. Suppose the incident light striking on this surface, on this edge of the prism, okay, and let's make normal. Okay, so as we know, when this is air medium, this is prism, so it is glass medium. We know this air is a rare medium and this glass is a denser medium. So when light comes from rare medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. So this ray must be go like this, but it deviate bends toward the normal, so it goes like this. Okay, let name it. It is incident ray. Name OP, making angle I1 with this normal. Now this we get this as a R1. This is refracted ray, and how much deviations happen, so that is delta 1. This is our delta 1. Now this again strikes on that surface, another surface of the prism, and it emerges out. So this is the emergent ray. Here we will draw again normal is perpendicular to the surface. Okay, so here we get angle R2, and this emergent ray, as the principle of reversibility of light, this emergent ray goes behind this, making deviation delta 2. This is normal, and this emergent ray named as a I2. We get here point, the incident ray coming after refraction this, and the emergent ray this. We get they both meet at this point, so we will name it as a M. So this I1, I2, P, this is named as a Q, this is R, and this point L. Here we get delta, total deviation, this at point M, L, M, Q, this one we get a delta. So let's see how much deviations happen through this prism. We will find the value of delta here. So total deviation, let's see. Here this LMQ, angle LMQ. Here if we see angle LMQ is made up of two angles, MPQ and this MQP. If we both add these two angles, we will get this angle. So angle LMQ is the sum of angle MPQ and angle MQP. Okay, so we total angle of deviation delta will become now this delta 1 plus delta 2. As MPQ is delta 1, MPQ is delta 1 and MQP is delta 2. So delta equal to delta 1 plus delta 2. Now we know here this angle MPN, this angle MPN is I1, this I1 and this I1. MQP, this angle MQP, not MQP, MQN, sorry, angle MQN is I2, this I2. So now MPQ, angle MPQ is delta 1 and angle MQP, MQP is delta 2, delta 2. From this we get delta mpq. Now what will be mpq? Delta 1 is I1 minus R1. So I1 minus R1, and similarly delta MQP will be this MQP will be I2 minus R2. So I2 minus R2. Now putting value all here, value of delta 1 this and value of delta 2 is this. So we get delta equal to delta 1's value is I1 minus R1 plus delta 2 value is I2 minus R2. Okay. Now delta will become I1 plus I2 minus R1 plus R2. Now we know rectangular parallelogram APNQ in which angle APN is equal to angle AQN, both are 90 degree. So angle PNQ plus angle PAQ becomes 180 degree, as angle PAQ is A. So putting values we get PNQ equals to 180 minus A. PAQ is A, which is our angle of prism. So this A is the angle of prism. Now we get in triangle PNQ, angle PNQ equal to 180 minus R1 plus R2. This A is R1 plus R2. So 180 minus R1 plus R2 equal to 180 minus A. So A equal to R1 plus R2, both 180 and 180 get cancelled. So delta becomes I1 plus I2 minus A. From here we get I1 plus I2, this A plus delta or delta plus A. So here with the equation of prism. That's all for today. Thank you.